Welcome to my channel where I love thrift flipping, garage sales, utilizing items from Dollar Tree and affordable stores. Join me for collaborations featuring seasonal farm decor and high-end inspiration. If you're into this, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And now let's get started with our first DIY. Beginning with this cutting board from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Mod Podge and I will be applying a very thick coat to the entire cutting board. Now that the Mod Podge is applied, I first have to remove Diva from up here. She was getting really comfortable, so I pre-cut this piece of fabric from Dollar Tree. I am gonna go ahead and place it on the entire cutting board. I'm also going to add another layer of Mod Podge on top of the entire fabric. Okay, my friends, so I took my finger blade and I cut the excess fabric. And now with this hemp cable from Temu, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on the entire border of this beautiful cutting board. I just want to make sure that this project looks nice and finished. Now the hemp cable is already in place. I have this little beady cutting board and I am repurposing it. I will have a video down below so you could see what I did in a prior video with this cutting board. I love the way it looks. I'm just giving it one coat with this black chalk paint, and once that is completed, then I'll use lots of hot glue. I'll be placing it right on top of this beautiful cutting board. And I'm also going to go ahead and add some greenery. I also purchased this little rope from Temu. I'm going to go ahead and make a shoelace bow, and then with some more hot glue, I'll place it right between the greenery. And this is it for this project. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Today is an exciting open collaboration where we gather every third Saturday of each month at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time. So let's join the force and have a blast. Our lovely hosts are myself, DIYWithAurea, Ray from One Way Designs 238, Brenda from Rustic Lacy DIY, and the fabulous Annie from Indie Annie Jones 1 are coming together for an amazing day of creativity. Don't miss out on visiting each of these talented creators. They are simply amazing. And guess what? Today's challenge is creating at least 2 fabric DIYs using materials from Dollar Tree or any fabric that you might have in hand. Get ready for some fun. Also make sure to check out the playlist for a ton of inspiration. And now let's get this creativity flowing. I have this beautiful tag from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna give it one coat with white chalk paint. So now that the tag is completely dry, I cut a piece of this fabric, and this is also from Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to hot glue this fabric to the tag, and I'm only going to glue it to 3 sides, leaving a pocket open because I'm going to be adding some greenery. I'm also going to be gluing it right here in the back. Later on, I come back with some paper bag and I cover the back side. If you're not going to sell it and you want it this way, that is fine. But this is going to be gifted, so I decided to cover the back. And now using this fabric, also from Dollar Tree, I'm going to proceed to fold it, secure the edges with some hot glue to create half an inch strip. I will be carefully positioning it right in the middle of the beautiful tag that we just created. And just remember that you're not going to add any glue right here in the front, only in the back, because we are going to be adding some greenery, like I said before. And these transferable stickers, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this middle section and I will be transferring it right here. Farm Fresh flowers. This is going to look absolutely beautiful. Once that is done, then I'll just add the greenery inside of this little pocket that we created. This is turning out absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. And then with this little rope, I'm gonna go ahead and place it right in here, and this is going to allow us to hang it, of course, on the wall. I'm gonna cut it, and then the two ends that are loose, I'm gonna come in with some hot glue and then I'll glue them together. I also want to thank you for being part of this wonderful project. I genuinely hope that you find it enjoyable, and if you did, I kindly ask you to support by giving me that big thumbs up. Your positive feedback not only brings joy to me, but it helps my channel grow. And now for the final reveal. Let's work on our third project. I have this flower pot and I'm gonna go ahead and recycle it by giving it one coat with white chalk paint. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side so it can completely dry. I'm gonna come in with this fabric. I'm gonna be cutting one thick strip, and then once that is cut, I'm gonna come in with some hot glue and tuck in one corner, leaving the other loose. And now let's go ahead and start hot gluing the strip right up here on this border. Only on the top, I'll leave the other corner completely loose. And because of the angle of this flower pot, this is why I left this part here loose. So now with the rope that I bought at Temu, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around and tuck it here and there so the rope can stay in place. And I will wrap it around twice. And look at how beautiful this is turning out. I absolutely love this little pot now. Now let's go ahead and add some floral foam and some greenery with flowers. Please don't forget to check out the playlist down in my description box. Show some love to these talented creators by sharing, subscribing, and liking their content. And look at how gorgeous this is turning out. I love adding Spanish moss to my floral arrangement because it elevates the project. And now for the final reveal. These 4 wooden beads that I'm going to be painting with white chalk paint, and I'll be giving it only 1 coat. And I am also taking 9 wooden beads. These are smaller, and I'm also going to be giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint. I'm going to put the beads to the side, and I'm going to come in with one of these tags. This comes 10 in a package from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 coat with white chalk paint, and I'm going to be doing that to the entire tag, to the front, the sides, and the back. I'm gonna be grabbing this piece of fabric and tailor it to fit the tag. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the other tag. I'm going to use a lot of Mod Podge. I'm going to place a piece of fabric on top. And then once it's placed on top, I'm going to come in with more Mod Podge and give it 1 thick coat. I also found this little bitty flower at the bottom of my stash. So all I'm doing is giving it 1 coat with white chalk paint. And this is going to be going on top of the tag with some hot glue. Now it's time to put this tassel together. I'm going to put 1 thick bead and 3 little, and I'll repeat the same process 3 times. I'm going to go ahead and take this twine and tie it to the tag, cut the excess string out, and now I'm ready for the tassel. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed these beautiful DIYs. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.